In today's Cryptolinkup, we highlight Bitcoin staying strong after a major options expiry, the SEC's new chair hints at crypto-friendly reforms, and the Fed pulls back anti-crypto guidance. Plus, hackers linked to North Korea target developers, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF reaches a big milestone, and Circle clears the air on its banking plans. Let's get into today's top stories. Bitcoin held steady around $94,000 after just over 76,000 options contracts worth $7.2 billion expired. Analysts said bullish sentiment dominated, with call options outpacing puts and strike prices aiming for $95K and $100K. Whale accumulation and major withdrawals from exchanges added to market strength. Glassnode's data showed large investors are reaccumulating, which supports Bitcoin's upward trend into the coming months. Meanwhile, major changes are underway at the SEC. New SEC Chair Paul Atkins says digital assets could help cut costs and manage risks, offering a friendlier tone for crypto. Speaking at the agency's Crypto Roundtable, Atkins promised to work with Congress on clear rules. The SEC has already dropped some enforcement actions and revoked tough accounting guidance. Atkins, a former commissioner, signals a shift towards fostering innovation while keeping markets secure. And changes aren't just happening at the SEC. The Federal Reserve has withdrawn guidance that discouraged banks from working with crypto and stablecoin businesses. This move, under the new administration, aims to make the U.S. more welcoming to blockchain innovation. Crypto activities will now be overseen through normal supervision instead of extra restrictions. The Fed, fdic, and OCC also dropped earlier warnings about fraud risks tied to crypto, boosting confidence across the industry. Let me pause here for a moment to ask you to please take a moment to subscribe and give us a thumbs up so we know you find these videos informative. It would really mean a lot, so let us know you're out there watching. All right, let's get back to it. Sadly, not all the news is positive. Security threats are on the rise. A subset of the Lazarus Group has created fake companies to trick crypto developers into installing malware. Firms like BlockNovas and SoftGlide pose as legit employers using fake interviews and AI-made profiles. Malware such as Beavertail and OtterCookie steals wallet keys and sensitive data. The FBI shut down BlockNovas, but other operations are still active. Developers are urged to update security practices immediately. Meanwhile, Bitcoin adoption continues to break records. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF now holds over 582,000 Bitcoin, around 2.77% of the total supply, valued near $56 billion. Single-day inflows topped $643 million, the largest in 13 weeks. BlackRock's leaders say Bitcoin's role as a safe haven asset is growing, especially with concerns about U.S. debt. CEO Larry Fink even warned that digital assets might challenge the dollar's reserve currency status if trends continue. Finally, big clarification from a major stablecoin issuer. Circle says it's not seeking a federal bank charter, countering reports that it wanted one. Instead, the company plans to comply with new U.S. stablecoin regulations that may require trust licenses. Chief Strategy Officer Dante Disparte called for clearer laws to promote stablecoin growth. Circle's focus stays on transparency and innovation as stablecoin legislation like the Stable Act and Genius Act moves forward. And that's our daily link up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you in the next one.